Hey guys, hope you're doing well. With all the uncertainty of FSWP draws going on, many of you may be asking yourselves if creating your Express Entry profile is actually a good idea right now. Federal Skilled Worker Program candidates made up nearly half of all the Express Entry immigrants per year prior to the coronavirus pandemic. The other half of Express Entry arrivals came through the Canadian Experience Class, provincial nominee programs, and the Federal Skilled Trades Program. However, throughout 2021, IRCC has only issued Express Entry invitations to CEC and PNP candidates. And as such, many FSWP candidates such as yourselves are currently waiting in the Express Entry pool for IRCC to resume issuing invitations to apply or ITAs to them. Prospective FSWP candidates may think that it's better to wait for such invitations to resume before entering the Express Entry pool themselves. However, in this video, we're going to tell you why this would be a huge mistake and why you should not wait for creating your own Express Entry profile. We're going to list a few very important points which would encourage you to actually create your Express Entry profile today. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free and I answer all your queries in the comments section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. Let's start with a careful cost to benefit analysis. It makes much more sense to go ahead and create a profile in the Express Entry pool right now, and here's exactly why. The only real risk of entering the Express Entry pool right now is the risk that your official language test will expire if you don't receive an ITA within 2 years of having completed the test. So, at the most, you may need to spend some additional time and money in retaking the language test if you don't get an ITA over the next 2 years. The cost for this is minimal in comparison to the more significant reward of obtaining your Canadian permanent residence. Put simply, your chances of receiving an ITA for permanent residence are zero if you are not already in the Express Entry pool. Conversely, you have a chance of receiving an ITA by virtue of entering the pool whenever the FSW draws resume, which might happen sooner than you think. So it's always better to be ready for it and have a profile already waiting to be picked from the Express Entry pool. Firstly, no one knows when IRCC will actually resume sending ITAs to FSWP candidates. The Express Entry program is actually unpredictable by design, as it's meant to be competitive by giving due advantage to the highest scoring candidates in the pool. Now at the same time, it's also known to be responsive to the job market needs of Canadian provinces and their respective employers. It's become even more unpredictable since last year due to the unpredictable nature of the pandemic. The February 13th Express Entry draw is a major illustration or example of this, wherein 27,332 CEC candidates were issued ITAs. The previous record for the highest ITAs issued in comparison was just 5,000. The CRS cutoff score for that draw was just 75, which was the lowest cutoff score ever. In hindsight, you don't want to be caught by surprise when IRCC begins to invite FSWP candidates once again. Being in the pool gives you an opportunity to receive an invitation and even potentially benefit from an unconventional draw like the one we saw on February 13th this year. Secondly, being in the Express Entry pool gives you a chance to receive a provincial nomination invitation as well. You can be eligible for all Express Entry oriented PNP programs, and you can receive an ITA from any province at any time depending on the job market needs in the province and your qualifying factors. Accepting a provincial invitation will give you an additional 600 CRS points, which effectively guarantees that you'll receive an Express Entry ITA. Canada's provinces regularly invite Express Entry candidates to apply to their PNP. They do this to recruit skilled workers who meet their labor market needs. If you get an invitation, you can go ahead and apply to receive a provincial nomination certificate. You then have to notify IRCC that you have received a provincial nomination certificate, which results in the 600 additional CRS points and the probability of receiving an ITA for permanent residence in the very next express entry draw that's for PNP candidates in the pool. Thirdly, being in the pool gives you the ability to create what's called a plus account in the Canadian government's job bank website. Having this access can help you match with suitable employment opportunities, which may increase your chances to receive a job offer. Apart from this, you'll be allowed to share your resume directly with potential employers in Canada, and they'll even be able to send you notifications to apply for suitable job vacancies that they may have for you. Eligible job offers can result in you gaining anywhere between 50 to 200 additional CRS points. Although these points will not be enough on their own to guarantee an ITA, but they'll surely boost your chances by adding to your existing CRS score. As you may have seen by now, even an increase of 1 to 2 CRS points makes a huge difference in receiving ITAs, and here we're talking about a minimum 50 additional CRS points for your job offer, so that's a huge advantage you can possibly get. Also, assuming you do get an ITA, you'll be in good standing to quickly integrate into the Canadian labour market through your pre-arranged employment. It's understandable to be on the fence about entering the express entry pool right now, but it is to your benefit to do so. Keep in mind that Canada values your skills and talents and wants you to immigrate here as well. Eventually, IRCC will reopen its doors to FSWP candidates, and beginning the express entry process now could leave you one step closer to achieving your goal of immigrating to Canada. For specific details on the requirements for creating your express entry profile, along with proof of funds amounts and a bank letter format, language test requirements, your Canadian style reference letter format, Canadian style resume format, how to get your education certificates ECA from WES, and even details on how you can get a Canadian job offer from your home country, we made a lot of detailed videos on the channel for each topic, and we'll be adding links to them in the description box as well. Do have a look at them to know how to get your PR easily without the need for any immigration consultants or lawyers. Alright guys, I hope all doubts about creating your express entry profile right now are cleared. For more immigration and travel tips, subscribe to this channel now. Do like this video if you like the content, and comment what topic you would like to hear about next. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for regular updates on immigration, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you have a great day.